Again, guys, before we start breaking, we do a thing called Donation of the Break, where we donate some money before the first break takes place to a charity, fundraiser, hospital, etc. Again, this is to highlight the amazing charities, hospitals, and fundraisers that do a lot of work in the community, internationally, nationally, or just even in municipal wide. I was a patient at Sick Kids Hospital for a few years and was had to be admitted overnight for a few weeks. It was a very troubling time for me and my family, but again, Sick Kids Hospital was there every step of the way and got me back to full health. I got diagnosed with Crohn's disease, but thanks to them, I was able to get out of the hospital fairly quick, even though the severity of my case. I do want to work there one day, so it's gonna take a long time, but hopefully one day I reach that goal. But do really want to encourage you guys to check them out, even if you guys don't plan on donating any money. Just learning about them and spending some time reading up about them, spreading awareness in your own little social circles does a tremendous amount of help. And I also want to say thank you very much to everybody who participated and bought into this break, because without you guys, there wouldn't be a break. And it's just a huge shout out to you for making this possible. We have raised it collectively over $1,000. So we hit that mark not so long ago, and have you guys to thank for that. All right, guys, we have four blasters. We've had pulled heat from these. Let's continue that tonight. I do top load all Bowman First Chromes, but yeah, let's. So I open up all of them, take out all the packs, and then we start from there. So we're just going to take everything off there. Empty box. Good lucks in the chat there. Love to see it. Not a lot of people, so we had, I think Paul bought the majority of the spots tonight. Last night we had over 70, 80 people in the chat because we had a lot of people buy into that break. But, you know, it's nice to keep it a little more private tonight. All right, empty box there. There we go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Hopefully pull some fire tonight. So we're going to have some first pack magic hopefully here. If you have any questions, concerns, again, guys, please do not hesitate to ask. All right, we have a Josh Donaldson, Jared Glennick, Garrett Gohl. We have Jose, Freddie Freeman, Juan Soto, Marcus Simeon, Benny Montgomery, Acosta Jr. We have a Darnell and a Polanco. So first Bowman first is going to be a Darnell. Seth Beer, Brandon Marsh. We have a Jake. We have Jess Winker, Javier Baez, Nick. We have a Peguero, Vargas, Bailey, Will Wagner, and a Darren Baker. There we go, Mateo. Matt Chapman, Dylan Carlson, second year, Paul Goldschmidt, Alex Boehm, Ryan Mountcastle, Judge, Jordan Walker, Pedro Mitchell, Robert Dominguez, Acosta, Acosto, and another Pedro. All right. Ooh, we got a numbered here, or no, not a numbered. Aaron, Luke Williams, Ryan, Luis, Edward Cabrera, Jose Abreu, Gavin Sheets, Rookie of the Year favorites, Wagner. We got a Rafaela and a Victor. Bowman first. Chrome. Mookie Betts, Kim, Vladdy, Joe Adele, second year, Yachty, Jacob deGrom, Trace Sweeney. We have a Cooper, Pie, Diego, and a Pachero there. Going to the Giants. Corey Seager, Nootbaar, De La Cruz, Wander rookie, Jonathan India, second year, Leon, Gonzalez, Cespedes, Diego, Jose Ramos, and a Brandon Valenzuela. On to our second blaster. We have a Baez, Nick, second year, Dylan Carlson, second year, Paul Goldschmidt, Alex Boehm, Ryan Mountcastle, Krauser, Ramirez, and a Alvarez. Aaron Judge, Ashby, Luke Williams, Ryan, Luis, Edward Cabrera, Lawlar, Will Wagner, Pie, George, and AJ Allen. I know, we need some color. We usually hit like a good amount of numbered cards, and we hit an auto out of 99, the green refractor auto. So out of this same case that I bought. So hopefully we get some more luck in these next one. Nice hit. Very nice hit. We have Jose Abreu, Mookie Betts, Hae-Sung Kim, Vladdy, Joe Adele, Yachty. We got Xavier Edwards there, Eddie, Cespedes, Jose, and a Jeter Downs. Jacob deGrom, Corey Seager, De La Cruz, another Wander rookie, Cal on the Rookie of the Year favorites, Gonzalez, Herberto Hernandez, Guzman, and Urena, followed by a Taylor. Going to Toronto. Bowman first. Another little Wander rookie. That is crazy. That is crazy. Did you end up selling it? That's a pretty big card. Jonathan India, Bryce Harper, Tatis, Springer, Carrera, Witt, Mayer. We got Jeter Downs. There we go. Peyton Wilson. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. After not hitting, after not hitting any color, we hit 2 numbered cards back to back. That is crazy. That is crazy. Crazy. And a Peyton Wilson Bowman first. Going to KC. We'll switch these two. Not bad. Hopefully we hit an auto soon. We have a Matt Shane, Cheats, Cabrera, Tyler Freeman, Matt Fraser, Anthony Rodriguez, Pete Crow Armstrong, and a Oswald Cabrera. We're going to have to get a fresh 100 top loader soon. A Marte, Jordan, Duran, Kyle Muller, Strider, Otani, JD Martinez, Diaz. We have a Machado, Class, and a De Castro. Francisco Lindor, Joey Gallo, Altuve, Blackman, Delbick, Garcia, Spencer Tolskin. We have Henry Davis, Sam, Junior Sanchez, and a Braylon. All right, let's get another little pack of top loaders here. There we go. There we go. Otto Lopez, Reed, O'Neill, Cruz, Acuna, Stanton, Nolan, Zach Veen, Julio Rodriguez, Diego, and a Allen. And a nice O'Neill Cruz, who likes beaming at 100 across the diamond. Cody Bellinger, Bo Bichette, Anthony Rizzo, Manny Machado, Hoy Park, Duran rookie, Zach Veen, and then we got Victor and a Diego Cartea. Going to the Dodgers there. Cal Lopez, Mike Trout, Luis Robert, Christian Yelich, Kyle Lewis. We have a Jack, Luis Rodriguez, James Wood. That's a nice hit for the Padres. Rodriguez, Edgar to end that off, but nice little paper James Wood. put that up on there. Let's get that, but an auto. We shall try. We shall try. Oh, I think we have a numbered here. Ryu, Andrew Vaughn, Bogarts, Pete Alonso, Andrew Benintendi, Joe Ryan, Alvarez, Felix. We have a Braylon to 499. Braylon to 499. A Luis and a Jose. There we go. Split the deck here. Paul Goldschmidt, Alec, Ryan Mountcastle, Duran, Kyle Muller, Strider, Ohtani, Zach Veen, Lorenzo, Vargas, and a Harry Ford. We've hit so many numbered Harry Fords. It's been crazy. We hit 2 numbered Harry Fords out of the same blaster, too. J.D. Martinez, Francisco Lindor, Joey Gallo, Jose Altuve, Charlie Blackmon, Bobby Delbick, Cruz. We have a Luis Robert, another James Wood, Vera, and a Christian Rowe. There we go. We have a Garcia, Otto Lopez, Reed, O'Neal Cruz, Kuna, Stanton, Colton, Jack. We have a Guzman, Ricardo, and a Hernandez. Ricardo's going to the Giants. Three more packs left. Nolan, Cody Bellinger, Joey V, Bo Bichette, Anthony Rizzo, Manny Machado, Luis, Felix, Spencer Tolson, and an out of 75, Nick Gonzalez. Let's go, Matevo. That's going to you, I'm pretty sure. You got the Pirates. A lot of numbered in this break. Love to see it. Color match too. Nice hit for the Pirates. There we go. And then Daryl and a Will Wagner. Two more packs left. Kyle Lewis, Ryu, Vaughn, Bogarts, Pete Alonso, Andrew Benintendi. We have a Oswaldo, Braylon, Marco, Escato, and a Rafaela. All right, as I open up the last pack, just want to say thank you very much to everybody who bought into the break. And as a nice little thank you gift, we love giving you 5% off our next break. So again, that'll be automatically applied through an invoice if you choose to break with us again. We hope you do. and you enjoyed the break enough to do so. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please do not hesitate to ask us. Also, we run 2 types of giveaways. So after this break, or after this pack is done, we do give away polls from our poll box up there, so stick around for that. Our second type of giveaway that we do is we run a huge end of year giveaway. So we have over $400 in product, and we keep on adding to it throughout the year. There are 4 ways to enter. The first way is following our TikTok page, and then the second way is subscribing to our YouTube page at Aussie Cards. The link is in bio. And the third free way is to get another third entry is to follow us on Whatnot. And then the final way is for every $5 you guys spend on our eBay breaks, you guys will get an additional entry. All right, last pack magic. We got a Cal Lopez, another Mike Trout, Luis, Christian Yelich, Austin Hendrick, George, Luis, Austin Martin, Baker, and a Acosta. No auto there, but tons of numbered cards. Pretty good break, and thank you very much to everybody who participated. I will be raffling off 2 10% discounts, guys. No problem. Thanks you for coming out. I will be giving away 2 10% discounts, guys, right now. So I randomized this list 3 times. The first 2 people will be getting 10% off. So 1, 2, 3. We have Ren again, and I am Zeus. Again, guys, you can't combine your 10% discounts, but you can use them on separate occasions. And thank you very much to everybody who came out to this break. And